In this video, we will present to you how to manage tasks in reception. Tasks in reception are a simple way to note down, change, and arrange appointments for examinations, vaccinations, procedures, and other veterinary treatments for individual animals. Let's see an example. When a customer calls at a vet practice, the receptionist wants a quick and easy way to make appointments and reallocate treatments for scheduled animals. This is enabled with the feature, Tasks in Reception. When a customer calls, the receptionist simply moves along the calendar and schedules the time when a vet can take over a customer and their animal. The receptionist can see that the vet is on annual leave on the first 2 Fridays and the last week of the month. The customer wants treatment on a given day. Using drag and drop, the receptionist can move other treatments along the calendar and accept the customer's order. This method makes managing tasks and veterinary treatments quick and easy to handle. Thank you for your attention. For further help or advice, please refer to our consultants.